Garlic is widely used as a flavoring in cooking. It has also been used as medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been used to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic belongs to the genus Allium and is closely related to onions. It has been used by humans for thousands of years and was used in ancient Egypt for both culinary purposes and therapeutic benefits. Hippocrates, a Greek physician also known as the father of medicine, promoted the use of garlic for treating respiratory problems, parasites, poor digestion and fatigue. The original Olympic athletes in ancient Greece were given garlic, possibly the earliest example of performance-enhancing agents used in sport. Ancient Indians valued the therapeutic properties of garlic and also thought it to be an aphrodisiac. However, the upper classes despised its strong odor, while monks, widows, adolescents, and those who had taken a vow, or those fasting, could not eat garlic because of its stimulant quality. Throughout the history of Asia, garlic has been used to treat bronchitis, hypertension, tuberculosis, liver disorders, dysentery, flatulence, colic, intestinal worms, rheumatism, diabetes, and fevers. Currently, garlic is widely used for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including arteriosclerosis, that is, hardening of the artery, also high cholesterol issues, heart attack, coronary heart disease, and hypertension. Garlic is also used today by some people for prevention of lung cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, rectal cancer, and colon cancer. It is, however, important to note that short-term heating reduces the anti-inflammatory effects of fresh raw garlic extracts. The examples you are about to see are from published studies on therapeutic benefits of garlic. Number 1. Lung cancer risk. Researchers collected data from 1,424 lung cancer patients alongside 4,543 healthy controls. The people who ate raw garlic at least twice a week during the 7 years study period had a 44% lower risk of developing lung cancer. Conclusion: a protective association between intake of raw garlic and lung cancer was observed, suggesting that garlic may potentially serve as a chemopreventive agent for cancer. Number 2. Brain cancer. Researchers found that garlic can effectively kill the cells that cause glioblastoma, a brain cancer that is usually fatal within a year. Here is what happens. Cancer cells have a high metabolism and need constant energy to grow. The garlic compounds produce reactive oxygen species in brain cancer cells, essentially gorging them to death. Number 3. Hip osteoarthritis. Researchers studied the compounds found in garlic. They found that a compound called diallyl disulfide limits the amount of cartilage-damaging enzymes. Women whose diets were rich in allium vegetables, such as garlic, onions, and leeks, had fewer signs of early osteoarthritis in the hip joint. Number 4. Potentially a powerful antibiotic. It was found that diallyl sulfide, a compound in garlic, was 100 times more effective than two popular antibiotics in fighting the Campylobacter bacterium, a common cause of intestinal infections. Number 5. Heart protection. Adenosine, a compound in garlic, inhibits platelet aggregation and improves blood flow in heart blood vessels, and prevents adverse clotting of blood in coronary vessels and prevents heart attack. Bleeding complications are rarely reported with garlic extract during surgery. Number 6. High cholesterol and high blood pressure. Research conducted on patients with high blood pressure concluded that garlic extract supplements reduced high cholesterol levels and also blood pressure in patients with hypertension. Number 7. Prostate cancer. Studies carried out to evaluate the relationship between allium vegetables consumption and prostate cancer risk concluded that allium vegetables, especially garlic intake, are related to a decreased risk of prostate cancer. Number 8. Alcohol-induced liver injury. Alcohol-induced liver injury is caused by long-term overconsumption of alcoholic beverages. A study was conducted to determine whether diallyl disulfide, DADS, a garlic compound, might have protective effects against ethanol-induced oxidative stress. Conclusion: DADS might help protect against ethanol-induced liver injury. 9. Preterm or premature delivery. Microbial infections during pregnancy raise a woman's risk of preterm delivery. Studies conducted concluded that intake of food with antimicrobial and prebiotic compounds may be of importance in reducing the risk of spontaneous preterm delivery. In particular, garlic was associated with overall lower risk of preterm delivery. Number 10. Garlic and the common cold. Research carried out on human adults and children reported that regular use of garlic to prevent common cold may decrease the frequency of the colds. Though some researchers suggest that raw garlic has the most benefits, other studies have looked at both raw and cooked and have found benefits. Therefore, you can enjoy garlic in a variety of ways to reap its advantages.